This is teacher Safwan from Al-Qayrawan branch. I teach grade 7 and grade 8. I'm going to be with you through this course, which is a training for the kangaroo competition. So how many are you guys here? Maybe 10. All right, 9 participants, including me. So Abdullah's Al-Zuman, Abdullah. Okay,
Yes, mister. Yes, mister. I'm here.
welcome. All right. Who else? This is Arab. All right. This is Farah, Lamis, Dina, Maryam, Nawaf, and Slayman. All right, guys. Let's go directly into our training. So I'm going to share the screen first.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa barakatuh. Guys, do you see the screen right now?
Yes.
All right. So this is the form of the competition of kangaroo.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone. All right. So the exam contains, or the competition contains, 30 questions as shown here. Okay. So 30 questions. All right. They vary between shapes, patterns, equations, something like this. Okay. And all target the IQ, or the mathematical thinking. This is how we define it. All right. Let's go into the first question. Okay, so this is the first one. Which of the following shapes has an axis of symmetry? So here, guys, I am an instructor. I'm not going to answer, but we're going to cooperate. We're going to discuss. We're going to find a solution. All right, what do you think, guys? Read it carefully. This is the question. Which of the following shapes has an axis of symmetry? Think about it.
Mister, is it D?
Then who wants to answer? Okay, who is this? Two participants raise hands. Okay, so Asir.
I think it's D because
Ask to unmute.
I think it's D.
Again, Asir, again.
I think it's D.
D.
Mm-hmm.
D.
Yeah, D.
All right. Who has another opinion, guys?
Sir, is it number
Asir
A?
said.
Can I answer, mister?
Is it A?
Mister, can I answer?
All right. Who
Yes, sir.
talked first?
Abdullah Zaman.
Who is this?
Abdullah.
All right, Abdullah. Abdullah, what do you think it is?
It's B, mister.
D.
B. No, the second one, B. Yes.
The second one.
Yes.
All right. Who
Sir?
has another answer?
I do, sir.
What do you think?
Is it A?
A. So you picked A. Now we have 3 different answers. Someone answered D, another one answered B, another one answered A. Who has a different answer, guys?
Me,
Other
teacher,
than
can
these.
I answer?
Okay, here you go.
It's C.
C. It's C. All right. Guys, before before we talk about the answer, do you know what is the meaning of the X or the axis of symmetry? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Someone gives me the definition of
Sir, I know it.
The axis of symmetry is where both sides have the same looks, I guess.
All right, and another definition. All right, so I'm going to explain it first. Look, guys, suppose that this is an axis Y. Oh, let's use another one. Okay, this one is better. All right, and where is the eraser? This is an axis. Let's go on. Come on, where is it? So the mouse again. Okay, guys, keep it up with me. All right, so look, this is the axis. Suppose that you have here, for example, a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. We need to find the symmetric of each point. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, 3 points. So A, this is the symmetric of A with respect to what? The axis. Okay, this is A prime. This is B prime. It's going to be here. This is B prime.
Sir, I'm sorry, but it's lagging. Like the shape isn't coming up.
Really?
Yeah, for me too. I just see a small line. Yes, it's me too.
Yeah, me too.
Unshare your screen, then share it again. So the screen stopped.
Okay, I'm going to, so new share. New share, so what do you see now, guys?
Yes, Mr.
Yeah, sir, it's so clear right now.
This is better.
So C is going to be here.
Yes, Mr. No, it's better.
Okay, so this is C. This is C prime. We can say that the triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is the symmetric of this triangle with respect to the axis. Okay, so look, guys, if we're going to take each one, let's start with, for example, all right, let's move this.
So, Mr. The symmetry line isn't straight.
Yeah, it has to be straight. Yeah, it's a line. It's a line.
Yeah, like how to differentiate between symmetry line and the other lines?
Look, the question is, can we draw a symmetry line through the shapes? What shapes or what among the shapes can we draw a symmetric line? So look, guys, take this one, number B. Can we draw a symmetric or an axis of symmetry through it? B.
Yes.
No.
We can.
No.
Yes,
No.
Mr.
No.
Why? No
Because
matter
if you put a line through it, they won't be equal.
yes. Yeah, that's it. They're not gonna be symmetric. It's not gonna be a mirror. This one as well. It's not possible. What about D, guys? Is it possible that we draw a symmetric line for D?
It's not possible because there's two circles and
All right.
they're not under each other.
No, it's possible, Mr. Yes, it's just the line is rounded, Mr. So we can like put it straight.
Okay, listen up. Take this circle, for example. Take this circle. Take the circle. The symmetric of this circle must be here. Here. Not there. Okay? The symmetric of this circle must be here. Okay? This is how we define the symmetry axis. Okay, so if there is a circle
Okay.
right here, the other one.
Hello, Mister. Do you hear us? مستر، أنا الوحيد اللي ما أسمع الأستاذ ولا كلكم؟
لا، حتى
لا،
كلنا ما
كلنا.
نقدر نسمع الأستاذ.
كلنا يحسبون يا فاي. غير صوتك الله يخليك.
يلا قوم أنتوا يا الهوست يلا.
طلع الأستاذ.
أخي إبراهيم ليه زوره؟
خلي باكستاني.
مكي.
زمان يا حمار لا تطرد أحد.
بسم الله
كلام
نطرد. أنت أول واحد تنطرد.
والله أنا مسك.
أمزح
عادي عادي عادي. أفزع لك في المدرسة لا تخاف.
المهم بيس عم بكتب.
خسي.
زمان هم بيسامحك.
خسي.
المدرس
حق
أنا.
مزارين.
إنه يدرسنا أستاذ أحد ثاني. أستاذ ذاكري.
أيوة.
يصارخ لك في الحصة بس.
ترى الميتنج في ريكورد.
سليمان
سو
أستاذ
ستوب
صفوان
ريكوردينج
يدرسكم.
إيه.
خلاص بسوي بوز مو ستوب.
لا احنا درسيت بي ما يدرس أستاذ دخل.
سمعنا. إيه في. يلا حط الأستاذ الهوست.
Hello guys, do you hear me?
يس مستر يس
Yes, yes.
يا وكذا.
مستر we can't hear you.
ألو.
هلو.
بس أستاذ ترى ما
لا.
بس مصر دوتيري.
عبد الله حط الأستاذ الهوست.
الأستاذ طلع يا ذكي. لا دخل.
الحين عبد الله الهوست مو بصفوان.
لا لسه داخل ما طلع
ايوه بس عبد الله الهوست الحين.
Hello guys.
هلو تيتشر.
Sorry about that. Maybe it's the net. I don't know. All right, so let's get back to our work.
Okay, but teacher, I can't share your screen because
All right, I'm
you're
going
not
to
the host.
share it now. Who's the host?
عبد الله الزومان.
مستر ترى يسوي نفسه غبي. حط ميوت.
Okay.
Who's the host?
What?
أيوة you're the host now.
All right, I am the host again.
Okay.
So let's get back. So guys, all right. So the answer could not be B because we cannot draw an axis of symmetry here, neither C. Okay. And what about D? We said that D is impossible because if there is a symmetry axis, it's supposed to be, for example, this circle is going to be here. The circle is going to be there.
Mr. But E, but
Okay.
E is possible. E, because
Yeah.
C it can be
E.
a straight line.
E. All right, this is the line, for example, again, and this is the shape.
Teacher, I didn't see the line. Mr. I didn't understand what's axis symmetry.
I already explained it, but it's not a problem. This is the axis of symmetry. It's an axis, it's a line, and through which.
Mister, if you're drawing anything, I can't see it.
Yeah, sir, me too.
Also, same. I think, sir, you have a problem.
What about now?
You have a problem.
This is
internet,
better.
I
This is
think.
better.
Yes, now we
All right.
Oh, no problem.
Again, so this is a rectangle here. This is an axis, and this is the symmetry of the first rectangle. This is R. This is R prime. Okay. So this is the axis of symmetry. It's like a mirror. Okay. It's like a mirror of the shape. So if there is a triangle here, the other one is supposed to be there. Okay. So this is T. This is T prime. This is the meaning of an axis of symmetry. All right. So we have 5 shapes, and we're trying to find if one of them can be split into 2 identical pieces. This is the definition. Can we split E into 2 identical pieces? What do you
No.
think about E?
No.
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 Well, I think the answer is B. I mean,
The
D.
answer is A.
I think the answer is
Yeah,
A,
the
sir.
answer is A because you can split it in
Yeah.
half.
Yes.
And it's the
Yes.
same on both
Yes.
sides.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Yes.
go
This is.
too. Yes, yes.
This is the only one that can be split into 2 identical pieces or identical forms. Okay, so the answer for the first question is
A.
A. Okay, now let's move to the second one. All right, so again, let's move forward. Now I'm going to erase all of this. All right. Now we have the second question, which is this. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Hello?
Hello? All right. What do you see, guys? Are you seeing the second
graph.
question?
Yeah, yeah. We can
Yeah, I
see the second
can see it
question.
too.
Okay. So let's.
Thingy.
Okay. Who's this? Is this Maki?
Can I know the name of the book? Yeah, it is.
All right. I recognized your voice right
Wow.
away. Okay. So the figure shows 3 concentric circles with 4 lines passing through their common center. What percentage of the figure is shaded? All right. So this is the question. All right. What does the word concentric mean? What does the word concentric mean? Who knows it? Guys, do you hear me?
Yes, we
Yes,
can hear
I,
you.
Yes.
I don't know exactly what it means, but I think it has something to do with the circles getting bigger every time.
Look, guys, this is one circle. This is another circle. This is a third circle, and they all have the same center. This is the meaning of the word concentric circles. Okay? If multiple circles have the same center, we call them concentric circles. This is a simple definition. Okay? All right, guys. So the question here is what? The shaded parts, the parts in gray, do you see them?
Yes.
Yeah. If we put them together, how much they represent in terms of percentages?
40%.
40.
Yeah.
All right. Why? Can you explain why you picked 40?
Yeah, because we have a circle, okay? In the circle have 100%, then the shadow is 40% of the circle.
Mister, I beg to differ. I think it's 50%.
Who's
Because
this?
if you drag some pieces of the other circles, you can fit them in and make the left half of the circle.
I agree with her.
All right. Who disagree?
Him.
Who disagrees? All right.
Me,
answer
Mr.
Yeah.
Me.
What do you think? What do you think?
Mr. I agree with them.
All right. So we have 50, and who chose another answer other than
Me.
50? Yeah.
Me.
What did you
40.
choose?
40. Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Let's see what it's gonna be. All right. Suppose that
Mr. It's 35.
35. Okay, this is another one. Okay. Let's see if it's going to be 35 or 50 or what he said 30, 45. And all right, guys, suppose that we're going to take this piece, okay, this slice, and I'm going to put it here. Okay. Now this one is shaded, and this is not. Okay, forget about it. Now let's take this arc here, this one, and let's put it here.
No, Mr. It's 50.
All right, it must be 50. It's going to be 50. Okay, so this piece is not here anymore. Okay, let's take, for example, this one, this small one, and put it against. All right. So what else, guys?
Then we take this shadow then we put it in the white.
All right. Maybe we could have done it this way.
Yeah, Mister, I think you could have just on the top
So
on the
I'm gonna take this, all of that.
Yeah, and just flip it over.
We put it here. Okay, we drag it here. So where is the pen?
Mr. I think 45%.
45.
Mr.
No, Mr. With this at the left it would be 50 because it would take the upper half.
Because Mr. there's the smaller piece, Mr. will be down, Mr. and the up
What is the smaller piece?
the smallest one, Mr. You see the one you move it. When you move it down, Mr. There will be one piece down and all the pieces up. So I think it's 45%.
Okay, look. I'm going to do this. I need another color. So look, guys. Now we have the blue pieces right here. And remember, there is no gray here. There is no gray here. And there is no gray here. So this half doesn't exist anymore. So we have 50%.
Yes, correct.
Okay, it's 50%. Okay? Because we moved all the slices from here and we put them in their places. Okay, so it's going to be 50. The top half of the circle is 50%. Okay, so the answer must be E. Okay, is it clear, guys?
Yeah.
Clear.
Okay, let's move to the next one. All right, think about it for a moment. This is obviously algebra. This is calculation. This is math. What is the value of?
Mister.
Oh.
I have just one question.
Okay.
So we're not allowed calculators on the test, correct?
No. This is
Okay.
this is not a calculator exam.
Okay.
Okay. What is the value of 20 times 21 over 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1?
Teacher, we have answer.
Go ahead.
48, 84.
84.
Yeah,
Who is
I'm
this?
sure.
This is Sulaiman.
Sulaiman, yeah,
This is 80. You said it's 84.
yeah.
All right. Who has another answer?
Yes, Mister, I agree with him. 84.
84. Who else?
Me too, sir.
All right.
I also agree that it's 84.
Who doesn't agree with them? No one. Okay, let's see. So at the top, it's 20 times 21. Let's write it again.
Which is Mister about, I think, 420 or something
Yeah,
like that.
420.
What 420?
Yes,
That
Mr.
20
420.
times 21, I think 400.
420.
I think we don't need to find the answer for that. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 is, what is 2 plus 2 plus 1? It's 5, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now 20, let's do it this way. Let's write 20, 4 times 5 times 21 at the top and over 5. Okay. 20 is actually 4 times 5.
Yes.
So we can simplify, or we can cancel
Or
out 5.
or Mister. Or yes, yes.
Yeah, this is the only way.
Sure.
Now 4 times 21 is 4 times 21 is
84.
84.
84.
Okay.
Mister,
so
there's
it's too
another
simple.
way.
Go ahead.
Well, which is you multiply 20 by 21, which equals to approximately 420.
Approximately. Now we need an exact value.
Well, it's the exact value as.
Okay. Okay.
And then you divide it by 2 plus 2 plus 1 because the
Don't-
0 is 0.
Don't you think it's a long way?
Well, it's more understandable.
Really? We didn't take factors.
I kind of think that the way that you showed it, Mister, is more easier for at least me to understand, because 20, the factors are 4 and 5.
Yeah.
So you can just take out the 5.
Yes.
So then you can just multiply 21 times 4. Because if
Pretty
you were to
simple.
put the 5, it would just be an extra step to take
Yeah.
it away again.
All
So
right.
you can just go ahead without having to put it back in.
All right. So look, guys, again, I'm going to rewrite it. 20 is actually 5 times 4 and all times.
Yes, Mister, this way is easier because Mister,
Okay.
it will, if you get 20 times 21, it's need a long trip, Mister, to do
Okay.
it.
Yeah, it's kind of.
And sometime if you do, sometime it's confused when there's like, but
Right.
when you divide it by factor, like or multiply it by factor, it's better.
Right, excellent. So we keep 1 here, 1 down, okay? So 1 times 4 times 21. 4 times 1 is going to be 4. 4 times 2 is going to be 8. So the answer is 84. Okay,
Yeah.
should we move on?
Yes.
Okay.
Mister, there's another way.
What is it? Tell us.
Mister, when you multiply 20 by 21, it will be 420, and then 5, you will note
420.
by multiplying 5 by 80 is
Multiply
400.
or again,
And
multiply what?
21 by
Divide or
20.
multiply? Divide or multiply?
No, divide 20 by
Okay.
21.
You mean this one, this expression?
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Mister,
think. Yeah.
Mister, because 5 times 80 is 400, and Mister, and
All right.
5 times 4
Mhm.
is 20. It will be 420. So it
Okay.
will be 84.
All right. You can choose the way that you think it's easier for you. Okay, it's not a
Or
problem.
Mister, you can
Yeah.
multiply 5 by each choice. You can multiply 5 by 42, 5 by 64, 5 by 80, 5 by 84,
Okay.
5 by 105.
It's a smart way. So
That
you
takes
mean
longer.
basically you test all of them until you get the correct answer.
Yes.
It's a smart way. All right,
But it
let's
takes
move on.
longer though.
Mr. Mohammed al-Masri taught us like that.
Okay. All right, guys. This is question number 4. All right. Let's read it. How many 4-digit numbers have the property that their digits from left to right are consecutive and in ascending
Teacher,
way
me,
or order? All right, answer it. How
me,
many?
8.
8.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
How did you get 8?
Yeah, because here he said how many 4-digit number have the property that their digits. 8 that we do 2, 2, 2, 2.
Who's this? Who's talking first?
Sulaiman Raban.
Aywa, Sulaiman. So guys, basically it's going to be this way. Look, the numbers are going to be like this. For example, this is the first combination. 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. Okay. Then the next one is going to be 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then the next one is going to be 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the next one is going to be 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are satisfying the condition here. What is the condition, guys? They are consecutive and an ascendant order from least to greatest. Okay.
So is it 8 or 9?
Yeah, we still have 1. So, and how many digits do we have, guys, in math?
We have. Wait, I'm
9.
confused.
Wait,
What
9
are
and
the
10.
digits first?
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
4,
6, 7,
5.
8, 9. Wait, is
10,
it
10, 10, Mister, 10.
10?
10
Because of
digits.
0?
9.
Yeah, of course.
9
No, 10, including
10
0.
because of the 0.
Yeah,
It considers as a digit.
right,
'cause
it's a digit.
one
So
10,
zero
yes,
is
Mister, it's 10 digits.
it's 10 digits. All
Yes.
the numbers in the
technically
world
as the
are
first digit.
composed or are formed from these digits. So we still have 1, which is 7. All right, is this the first one, guys, that I wrote, or there is
No, it's
1 before?
It's 8.
So it's
8.
supposed to be. All right, just wait. This is the last one, but we forgot 1. It's going to be 0,
0,
1,
1, 2, 3.
2, 3. So how many are these? So this is 1, 2,
2.
3, 4, 5,
7,
8.
6, 7. There's no.
7.
So 7. Right, 7 combinations. So it's C. Okay. So our answer is C. 7. Who has another opinion, guys?
Teacher, I didn't understand.
Who's this?
Not me.
Sulaiman.
All right. Again, I'm going to open something and explain it. All right, the open board. And you share. Where's the open board? This is the open board. All right. Look, guys. The question is the following. We need to write the combinations of 4 numbers or 4 digits that are consecutive numbers. What are the consecutive numbers? For example, 1.
That have one,
2.
one factor.
No. Consecutive.
That have one, like, how I say, not
No.
like 10 or.
Consecutive numbers are numbers
Consecutive.
that go
Like
from
it.
left to right in an
Next to
order.
each other, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is how consecutive numbers work. For example, 11 and 14, are they consecutive numbers? No, because there are 12 and 13 between them. 11 and 12 are consecutive numbers. Now 11, 12, 13, 14 are consecutive numbers. Okay, this is the meaning of the word consecutive numbers. And we need them at the same time from least to greatest. Okay, So the first combination is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3. This is a number that satisfies both of the conditions. Okay? Another one. It has to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So consecutive numbers from the least to the greatest. Okay? Then the next is going to be, we started here from 1, we moved to 2, now 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Then the next one. Now instead of starting from 2, we start at 3. Okay? So 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we move forward, and this is at which, or with which number we're going to start, guys? Now,
4.
yeah, it's 4. Okay, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The next one,
8.
5, 6, 7, 8. The next one,
6.
6, 7, 8, 9. Is there another number? Can we start at 7?
No.
No, no,
No.
All right, let's do it. Let's see. So 7, 8, 9. Then what?
10.
Then what?
10.
10.
But 10
Is
is 2 digits.
no, mister, it cannot be
Yeah.
10.
10
No,
is
it
two
cannot,
digits.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
cannot be 10, mister.
Can we
Only one
put
digit.
0? Can we put 0?
Yes.
No.
No, no,
Really?
no.
No,
It's
no.
not from least to
No.
greatest.
Cannot.
So now we
Not
got back like
consecutive.
this. Okay, so this is not considered. So how many are they? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
and 7. All right. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay, let's
Yes.
go back to our work. And you share, where is it? It's here. All right, let's move forward. Okay, this is a puzzle. These are 5 pieces of puzzles. When the 5 pieces shown are fitted together correctly, the result is a rectangle with a calculation written on it. What is the answer to this calculation? All right. Another
Mister, can I
explanation.
answer it?
All right.
It's 8.
I need to
It's 8.
re-explain it with other words. All
Can I
right.
answer the question though?
We need a rectangle. And how many numbers do we have here?
4.
4 numbers and a sign. So
4
we need
numbers.
5
Yes, sir.
boxes.
Can I answer?
5 boxes. Okay, we need 5 boxes. Think about it a moment, then we will discuss that. You have 5 pieces. We need to shape, or we must shape, a rectangle without holes, without gel, without anything. So rectangle.
Mister,
Sir, can I
No.
answer?
All right.
Mister,
Oh.
I think I know where to start.
Okay. Just wait. Who wants to answer?
Me.
Sir, can I answer?
Other than
I want
Asad
to answer.
and Salman and Sulaiman
Me.
and
Me,
Makki.
sir.
Yeah.
Who
Don't
are you?
let Mekki do it.
Me, sir.
What's your
Thanks.
name? What's your name?
Lamis.
Lamis. Go ahead, Lamis.
Okay,
What
firstly, we're gonna start with the 2. The other 2.
Yeah, the middle.
Yeah,
All right. And when we're going to write it?
at the first number.
Here. Okay.
Yeah. And then we're gonna do the minus sign.
The minus sign. Okay.
And then we're gonna put the 1.
The 1. Okay.
And then 0 and then 2. So it's 102.
It's 102.
Which equals to negative 100.
It equals to negative 100. All right. This is your choice. Who has another opinion? But
Me.
it's still correct, right? What do you think, guys? Is it correct?
I think
Yes,
it's
Mister,
correct.
and it is
Yes.
the only way.
Look, there is an only way. Okay, so either it's true or false. Tell me.
True, true.
True.
All right, again, so this is the first piece on the left here. Okay, with, so it's 2 here. Okay, then what? Let's do it here. It's like
Mister,
this. Uh-huh.
I have to leave. Like,
Oh, this is Mekki.
yeah,
Okay.
but I just want to know something. What is the name of the book?
What book?
The one that you're using.
This is not a book. This is an exam.
An
You
exam.
will find it on the Mohiba website.
Okay, that's it. So
Okay,
it's not a
thanks.
book. All right. So this is the first piece. So we need another one. So, no, I'm sorry. 2 is like this. Okay, this is the first 2. Then what? So we can put these 2. We have 2 potential answers, 2 or the minus sign. All right. What about if we put these 2, guys? The first one. What about if we put it here?
It's gonna close the equation.
Really? Let's see. So 2, 22, that means. All right, it's gonna close the triangle. I'm sorry, the rectangle. The rectangle is already formed like this.
Teacher,
And it's not
22
possible.
minus 1.
What? Yeah. Look, we are trying to use another way and see if it's possible, yes or no. So it's not possible because if we're going to pick these 2, then we join it to these 2. It's going to be a rectangle and we're done, which is not possible because we need to use the 5 of the pieces. Okay, so it's going to be 2 here. All right, that means the first one, the middle one. Okay, then we use the minus sign or 0. What about 0, guys? It's not possible. Okay, so it's going to be the minus sign for sure, the minus sign. Then what? Then 1 or 0. Can we put 0, guys, here instead of 1? What do you think,
No,
guys?
no, Mister, no.
No,
It's
because
impossible.
yeah,
Why?
Because if we put it, we can't put any other puzzle piece.
Oh, really?
Yes.
But we still have these 2. Right. This is 0.
Yes,
for
yes, yes.
example. This is 0 here.
Mister, I don't really understand what you're trying to say. Could you go over it real quick?
Who's this?
Me, Acid. I don't
Alright.
understand what you mean by like changing the 0 or 1.
Look, I am taking another way and see if it's possible. All right, so this is 2, the first one. This is 2. Okay, I put it here. Then we put the minus sign here.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I chose 0 instead of 1. All right, so this is 0. Then we only have 2 choices now. What are they? It's 1 or 2, right? This 1 or these 2. All right. Can we put 1?
No, Mister.
No,
No.
but the only one we can put is 2. But
Yeah,
then
alright.
we can't put 1.
All right, now if we put 2, now that the rectangle is closed again. Right,
Yes.
but we didn't
Yes.
use the last piece. So the only possible case is this. It's 2 minus 102, which is negative 100. And good job, Lamis. It's A. Shall we move on, guys?
Yes.
Yes, Mister. Yes.
Okay. All right, this is a good one. Each of the 5 vases shown has the same height, all right, and each has a volume of 1 liter. Half a liter of water is poured into each vase. In which vase would the level of the water be the highest?
Mr. I know.
How's this?
Acid.
Other than answer. Guys, come on,
ايه
participate.
مستر عبد الله.
Abdullah.
مين
Go.
مين
سي مستر.
All right.
C.
Abdullah said C.
Yes.
Okay. Who said me?
مستر عبد العزيز الدويش. Can I answer?
Abdulaziz Dwish.
Yes.
No, I think it's me.
All right. Abdulaziz.
Yes, hello.
I don't know that you are here. I suppose, or I thought this is for grade 7. So it's 7 and 8 together.
Yes, 7 and 8,
Yes,
yes.
yes, 7 and 8
إيه
مستر.
مستر
Who
also عبد
else?
الرحمن
Who else?
تركستاني.
أنا
تركستاني.
Is here.
Me مستر grade 8 also.
Okay.
Yes.
Hi guys. Hi.
بس
Right.
بس but مستر I'm 8A not 8B 8A.
You're welcome. You're welcome anyway.
Yes,
all right.
can I answer?
Yes, Abdulaziz, go ahead.
Yes, I would think it would be A.
So
I
Abdulaziz.
also agree.
Yes, I agree.
Hey,
Yes, sir, I agree with him.
all right. Who has another opinion other than A or C? Who is this?
Suleiman.
Yeah, Sleiman. What do you think, Sleiman?
I think is it F.
What?
No, E.
A.
E.
E.
Yeah.
You mean this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, what about D? Is it possible? Is it going to be the highest level of water?
No.
No,
this-
mister, no.
No, I
No,
don't think
because
so.
It
No.
has a wide base. So basically, the water is not going to be the highest level here. Okay.
Mister, you mean the highest or the more? The more.
No, we're going to pour the same volume of water.
Like it will be high in highs in
Yeah,
Like
the
in
highest,
height
the highest level.
or it's miss. Oh, I thought you say like miss. No, I for me if it's like if it's the highest, I'll go with B. B is will be the or no C. No C. I will
C.
be with C. Yes.
All right, look, guys. Remember that
Mr.
all the vases have the same length or the same height. Remember that. The vases. I'm not talking about the water inside them, but the height is the same. Now, when we pour half a liter of water in all of them, which one is going to be higher or the highest in length? What do you think?
A, mister, because it has a small base.
All right. It's a potential answer. It's a potential. All right. What about C, guys? You can see that in the middle, it's too wide. Okay, it's too wide. So I think it's not possible.
B.
Too
B,
wide.
Mister. B.
So we still have B, A, or E. What do you think? What about E, guys? What about E?
A, it has a big base, mister.
Yeah, 2 bases. The top one and the bottom one. So it's not going to be the highest. Okay, so we still have B or A. What do you think? Is it B or A?
I think it's B.
Hey.
A,
I
mister,
think it's
because
A.
it has a smaller
A.
base.
Yeah, this is the
Yes.
small base. Okay, this is consistent. It's the same. It's regular. It's the same. The way we call it. What do we call this shape, guys?
Cuboid.
Quadrilateral.
No, quadrilateral. This is a 2-dimensional. What's wrong?
Rectangular prism.
Look, guys. What happened? Oh, my laptop went crazy. Oh my God. Come on, please don't do it. What's wrong?
مستر كنترول
click.
and mouse wheel up.
or
What?
control zero, control zero,
Control
إيه
zero.
control zero.
control zero, Mr.
Yeah, I clicked on it. Nothing has changed.
Because Mr. I see,
What did you see?
I see
because
zone.
Mr. the control zero. It
No,
will-
no, mister. You see the
control
mouse wheel,
minus.
control, yes, or control with the mouse wheel.
Control and what?
Mouse wheel,
Mouse-
mister. Your
mouse
mouse
wheel.
كذا على تحت.
Ah, all right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. So we still have two options, which are what? So A or B. What do you think? So
No, mister, you
again,
already answered. We
yeah,
said
it's
A.
A.
Yes, it's A.
It's A. So again, what is this shape again? B. What is this shape?
B is a rectangular prism,
I
mister.
actually heard it. I heard it. Someone said it.
I said it.
Answer. You said it's a quadrilateral. First of all, a quadrilateral, it's
Yeah, it's 2D.
a two-dimensional shape.
Yeah, but after I said rectangular prism.
Rectangular,
Rectangular prism.
right? It's a long name, but we can call it a cube.
Cuboid, sir.
Yeah, I said I heard it. It's a cuboid. Okay, this one is a cuboid. All right, it doesn't matter. So our answer is going to be A. All right, let's move forward. Okay, where is it? Again, there's something wrong with this. Okay, let's make it. Oh, is this?
Mister, could you zoom in a bit?
I'm going to zoom in. Just wait.
Teacher, we are on question number 7.
Question number 7, right?
Yeah.
Okay, number 7. Let's zoom in. I need to close this one.
Mister, I was just going through the kangaroo questions, and they're completely different from what we're doing right now.
Which year did you pick?
إيه. كلها
This
غير.
is 2021.
Yes, yes. But what, Mr. Why?
Okay.
But
guys,
Mr.
you
What's
might-
the difference?
you-
What's
you
the
may have-
difference?
You may have a different order. of
Yeah.
questions. Different order.
Yeah,
But the same
I
question.
found it. Thank you.
يعني Mr. same تكتيك صح؟
Yeah, but
خلاص.
different order. That's it.
Different order numbers زي كذا. Okay.
mister.
What?
The class finished.
Really? Okay, guys, we still have 5 or 4 days. These are, how many questions did we do?
6.
We did 6.
No, in average, this is the exact value. So 30 divided by 5 days is
6.
6. Right. So we did our target today.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Thank you very much. I hope you understood. I hope you
Yes,
get
thank
the
you,
benefit.
Mister. Goodbye.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. See you soon.
See you
Thank
tomorrow.
you.
Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
So Mr. grade 7 and 8 same منهج صح؟
Again?
Grade 7 and 8 the same منهج.
Yeah, the same competition.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Mister,
Yes.
I have some questions about the competition itself.
All right, ask me.
So you know how there's an ability to do a practice test?
The practice test.
Yeah. Do we have to do it to do the main test?
All right. All what you know is that the main test is going to happen on March, maybe.
Is it in person or online?
I don't know. I don't know. This is it depends on the company policy. So you can ask Mr. Henry for that.
Okay,
Okay,
teacher.
thank you.
Okay.
The exam for the kangaroo will be after the exams in the school or before?
Yeah, after it's going to happen on March.
Oh, okay. The final exam will be in February.
Again?
The final exam for the school will be in February.
Who's this first?
Suleiman.
Sulaiman, you're always here.
Yeah, I am here.
Okay, in 2 weeks. Or maybe we are in week 10, right?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, this is week 10, so the math exam actually will happen in week maybe 12 or 13. It depends. Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you guys.